He's here to chat about industrial design, and with me I have Mark. Mark, what is industrial design?
Industrial design is the process by which any product, any mass-produced product, gets designed and taken into production. The word industrial is probably a bit of a misnomer because there's very little industrial about it. It's actually, many people prefer to call it product design.
Product development process consists of 7 steps: brief, research, concept design, final design, prototype, industrialization, and production.
Take me through the industrial design process.
Every process starts with a problem or a brief. Something needs to be solved, there is a need, something needs to happen. So typically the customer approaches us and says, Mark, we have a need, we need a new product, we need this problem solved. During the research phase, we look at different materials that could be used, different processes that could be used. We need to research the problem. From a designer's perspective, during concept design, things really get interesting. This is where we can start getting creative. We start doing things like brainstorming, coming up with all the million different potential solutions to the problem. There's a lot of sketching happening. A lot of different ideas get generated. This is really where the technical skills start coming to the fore. You're now modeling it in 3 dimensions. You need to obviously now design for a specific manufacturing process. So you need to have a good knowledge of what you can do and what you can't do, what can be made, what can't. There's a number of ways in which one can prototype. The example that we've got here, we actually grew in SLS, which is stereolithographic sintering. It's a bit of a tongue bender. This is one of the many rapid prototyping techniques that can be used. The amazing thing is with this that you can grow something in a matter of a day. You can check whether things fit, you can see whether it is what you expected it to be, and you can even paint it and start pre-marketing. You can actually give it to your customer and they can start already testing the field and the potential market. During this phase, you would typically do tooling, you would be searching for potential manufacturers. You'd source the best manufacturers for the tooling. If it's, for instance, you'd be getting quotations for manufacturing the tooling. Yeah, well, it's no sense doing all of this unless there's an actual product finally out there. Production, first of all, you would have some pre-production. You would manufacture some samples, check them, check whether the quality is correct. There's normally a bit of fettling there, a couple of issues that needed to be sorted out, and then finally you're able to take the product into production.
Mark, thank you so much for chatting to us on Hip to Be Square.